Welcome to Creative Product Review. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 products, carefully selected for you. You can find all the product links in the description. Feel free to visit the website to check them or explore more options. Number 1. Brand name, Pandaman, Folding Camping Chair. The small portable folding camping chair is an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Its lightweight construction and one-button quick open feature ensure ease of use and portability. The compact design allows it to fit seamlessly into a backpack, making transportation effortless. The chair offers good durability and a comfortable seating experience. Considering the affordable price point, it presents great value. This product is highly recommended for those who frequently travel, hike, or enjoy outdoor activities. Number 2. Brand name, Tisetrail, Folding Camping Chair. The Tisetrail oversized camping chair offers exceptional comfort and durability for outdoor activities. With a heavy-duty frame supporting up to 500 pounds, it ensures stability and strength. The padded seat enhances comfort, while the built-in cooler adds convenience for keeping drinks within reach. Its folding design allows for easy transport and storage. The black and gray color combination provides a sleek, modern look. Overall, this chair is an excellent choice for camping, picnics, and outdoor events. Number 3. Brand name, Westune, Folding Camping Chair. The Westune portable folding camping chair combines lightweight design with superior comfort, making it ideal for outdoor activities. Crafted with a durable aluminum alloy frame, it ensures stability while remaining easy to carry. The built-in headrest offers added support for extended sitting periods. Its compact folding structure allows for effortless transport and storage. Perfect for camping, fishing, and outdoor leisure, this chair provides both functionality and style, making it a reliable addition. Number 4. Brand name, Onetigris, Folding Camping Chair. The Onetigris portable camping chair is a versatile and reliable choice for both outdoor and indoor use. Designed with a high back for enhanced support and comfort, it is ideal for fishing, trekking, barbecue parties, gardening, and more. The chair is lightweight yet sturdy, ensuring easy portability without compromising durability. Its quick setup design makes it highly convenient for on-the-go activities. Combining functionality with comfort, this chair is an excellent companion for a wide range of adventures. Number 5. Folding Camping Chair. The foldable hammock chair for camping combines comfort, portability, and strength in a lightweight design. With a 300 pounds weight capacity, it offers reliable support for outdoor relaxation. Its foldable structure makes it easy to transport and store, ideal for camping, hiking, or beach trips. The durable materials ensure long-lasting use, while the ergonomic design provides excellent comfort. Overall, this chair is a practical and high-quality choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking both convenience and relaxation. Thank you for watching Creative Product Review. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more top product updates.